Hey, truck enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the latest sales figures for electric pickups. In March, the Ford F-150 Lightning stole the show, outselling both the Tesla Cybertruck and Rivian R1T combined. Let's take a closer look. According to S&P Global data, the F-150 Lightning recorded a whopping 2,893 registrations, marking a significant increase from the previous year. Meanwhile, the Cybertruck secured second place with 158 registrations, surpassing the R1T by a wide margin. A deeper dive into the numbers reveals that pricing may have played a significant role. While the Cybertruck starts at nearly six figures, the Lightning offers a more affordable option, starting at $57,090 with shipping. Interestingly, despite its unique design, the Cybertruck continues to attract buyers, showcasing the appeal of its novelty factor. However, it's surprising to see the GMC Hummer EV lagging behind, with only 192 registrations. In conclusion, the F-150 Lightning's dominance in March's electric truck sales highlights its growing popularity and affordability. Stay tuned for more updates on the evolving electric truck market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting truck news and updates.